First of all, we should know the features of this printer. So this is thermal transfer and direct thermal printer. It comes 203 dpi resolution with 5 inches per second print speed. Now let's see interface in this printer. By default USB and optional is RS-232 Ethernet parallel port and Wi-Fi as well. It has 32-bit processor. There are two sensors in this printer. Maximum print width is 4 inches. 16 MB SD RAM and 8 MB flash memory in this printer. It has auto emulated language like TSPL, ZPL as well as APL. It comes with 1 year printer warranty and 6 month or 25 km which comes first print head warranty. These are the main features of this printer. We are going to see how to fix label and ribbon in printer. So we have printer, label winder, ribbon winder, label as well as ribbon. Let's see how to fix label first. I'm going to take label winder, label. So now in this way we can fix label. I'm going to show you how to fix this label in the printer. So now it's fixed. Again I am taking ribbon winder and ribbon. So you can see here in this way we'll fix ribbon and then I am going to fix in the printer. So here you can see we can fix like that. Here label and ribbon already fixed in the printer. This is ready. This is whole procedure to fixing